Hey guys, welcome back to the next follow-up series. So we already have looked at DALL-E 2 and we know that DALL-E 2 was not really a usable product, whereas DALL-E 3 is as good as Midjourney, if not better, post the upgrade OpenAI has done. And there are various ways you can access DALL-E 3, but you should see a plugin popping up within OpenAI if you are a ChatGPT Plus or a business user. However, if you are a free user and you want to use DALL-E 3, you can do so with Bing. So what you need to do is you need to go to Bing Image Creator here. So just go to bing.com/create and you should see the free preview for DALL-E 3 if you log in. And there does not seem to be a wait period. Anyone logging in seems to be having access to DALL-E 3, so that should not be a problem. And from there, if you go to bing.com/create, I'll show you how you can create it here, as well as you can create it directly in this prompt generator. And we will be going over a couple of prompts. So that's basically it. And in Bing chat, you just need to create an image of or generate an image of followed by what you are looking for. On the image creator website, simply type a description of the image you want. It does not have to be long, but more descriptive the prompt, the better the results. Microsoft recommend adjectives, locations, even artistic styles such as digital art and photorealistic. So here are some example prompts. So let me go here and click on, this is an example which was given in the DALL-E 3 Bing itself. So I would be just giving that example, and just remember you don't have unlimited credits. So you only have some limited credits, and as this credits gets exhausted, the time taken to generate the image increases. So let me give up this first prompt here. Okay, so it probably didn't like it. It didn't do the first one. So let me ask this one. Let me ask it to create a bakery of golden breads here. So let me just ask it to do this. Okay, so it gave us the logo for this. If you want, you can just click on this and see the bigger prompts and you can download it. Or if you want to customize it, you can play around with it. So that's up to you. And if I close this image, it should take us back to the prompt. Okay, and let me ask, I think this should be doable. So I am asking it to create a zodiac symbol prompt with a specific use case. So I'm asking it to do it for the Cancer zodiac sign in the style of Caravaggio. And I just hope this is done. There are some prompts you won't know whether it works or not until you try it. Okay, so yeah, this was able to do it. And let's also ask it create a movie poster for a film titled Echoes of the Haunted. Does it do that? Okay, let me try that. In the meantime, what I also wanted to show you was it is the latest version of DALL-E 3, which is the newest iteration. It is part of Bing Creator Suite. Special features can generate readable text in images rather than random gibberish. So it can depict historical figures, famous celebrities surprisingly and accurate. Safety measures when officially launched with specific safeguards, as you saw in here, prompt blocked. You will see some specific use cases that DALL-E 3 does not support, and integration with ChatGPT. We are going to look at it later, where we will see that DALL-E 3 is integrated as a plugin in ChatGPT. So now you don't need DALL-E 3 if you are a ChatGPT Plus or a business user. You can get whatever you are looking for in place. Okay. So let me try the next one. I would like to see this. So design a book cover, and I am trying to do it within Bing chat here. So like I showed you that you can do it either in image creator, or you can also do it within Bing. So this is the free way of accessing DALL-E 3. However, if you are a ChatGPT Plus user, this is being rolled out to you within ChatGPT as a special plugin. You can probably do unlimited number of prompts there, or I've initially seen OpenAI has some limit. Okay, so we got that image here. And the next one, probably what you can look at is after this. Okay, let me ask it to do design a winter jacket for a fashion show. So I am trying to give you a wide array of use cases. So it is not very targeted at one specific group of users. So whatever profession you are in, this would be useful for you if you are a content creator. And even if you are a journalist trying to put something out, this might be useful for you. Okay. So let me then ask the next question here. Okay, create a architectural design of a luxury 5-bedroom villa. Right, so let's ask it to do this. The idea here is to show you why it's powerful and what it can do. So yeah, so we got this jacket here, and let me look into the next prompt. Potentially, okay, I think this might be useful to many people who are into. So we got the villa plans here, and similarly, let me ask it to do a prototype for a solar powered laptop. And after this, okay, let's ask it to do a feature of a tree of life with this. So what I'm interested in, can we get a tattoo symbol here with this? So I have given you more prompts. You can play around with this and see which one would be the ideal use case for you. So there may be many use cases beyond this. I took some 2023 most popular use cases I could find across the internet, consolidated them together, and gave you access to those prompts. And I showed you how you can access it either in Bing, or you can as well as access it in Image Creator. This is the free way how we can access DALL-E 3. And I also told you why DALL-E 3 is powerful compared to DALL-E 2, and it can do much better things than what DALL-E 2 could have. I hope this helps. Thank you for joining.